Done correctly, wide child's pose is a great pit stop where you recharge, re-energize, decompress the whole body, particularly the spine, hips, and shoulders. Sadly, however, the way most people do this posture turns their body into a soggy blancmange that doesn't achieve much apart from a simple respite. Starting from a wide tabletop position, you are to dynamically engage the body as you move the body back, bringing the hips down with the knees wide apart. Wide child's pose. There are three sections to this, so listen up. First, we have to get into a wide tabletop stance, which means this is a basic stance. We need to separate our knees more and bring the arms forward, way forward. Okay, from this point on, your hands must be glued to the floor. First, we need to get into our lower spine and hips. Take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, drive your bum back to about here, no more, and really feel your lower spine and hips open out. You don't need to come back too far to get into your lower spine. Next, we're going to work into our middle spine. So on the exhale, drive your bum back more and come down a little bit more. And about there, I can really feel it into my middle spine. Opening out, pulling open the middle spine, the lower spine, and the hips. Next, we're going to include the upper spine and shoulders. So exhale, relax your bum back, pull open the spine, and you really feel it in the upper spine and shoulders, as well as the middle, lower, and hips. Pulling your spine open. Inhale, pause, exhale, relax, and pull your structure open, driving the belly button down. Maintaining a straight, neutral spine. Exhale, come back up. The biggest tip I can give you is to point out that, like all yoga postures, you must keep the body dynamically engaged. You must never rest the body into this posture. Target your efforts on pulling open. First, you get into the hips and lower spine, and you don't need to come down too far to do that. Next, you get into the middle spine by coming down a little bit more, but not too much. And finally, as you come down that little bit more, you get into the upper spine and shoulders. At no point are you to rest as if you're sitting on a settee. You have to dynamically decompress the whole body, feeling the body recharge. As you come down, you are hinging from the hips. And like all postures where you are hinging from the hips, you must target your effort on getting the belly button down, engaging your hip flexors. You must never use the weight of your body to come down, because neurologically it doesn't achieve anything. So, belly button down, chest up, maintaining a straight, neutral spine as you go back. As I said, this is a great pit stop, restoring the body. Don't use it as a respite. Great when hiking in the mountains, running a marathon, or digging in the garden. Anytime you feel tightness in the body creeping in. In my class, I will often do this posture before standing head to knee, before cobra, before fixed firm. All my students love it.